Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on Motorola Edge 40 Pro. And to do this, first thing is to have empty space on your home screen, like I have right here. You can move icons by holding them down and then placing in somewhere else or removing them entirely. Now hold your finger onto the screen, select widgets. Now there's a list of available widgets. Some apps may have unique widgets coming with them, like Firefox right here. You can click on reveal. Now we can see the widget. Click and hold it. Place it somewhere on the screen. If you wait a few seconds, you'll be able to adjust it with different size. Now, if you want to remove this widget, hold it down and then drag it up to remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.